Hello my dear students, I am Ankur sir. I hope all of you are well. If you are benefiting from my video, so please share my video to your friends. They are also benefited. Okay. That time we are stay at home. So today we start the next chapter in class 9, polynomial. First we have some basic knowledge of polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is any algebraic expression whose variable power is in whole number. मैंने क्या कहा कि कोई भी ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें variable की power क्या हो, whole number में हो. What is whole number? Whole number starts from 0 to infinite, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Means what is polynomial? Any algebraic expression whose exponent power is in whole number is called a polynomial. If we break polynomial, poly means this is poly. Poly means many, and nomial means terms. Means many terms. Polynomial means many terms. Okay. Then we are discussing some variable, constant, coefficient. What is variable? What is variable? What is constant? What is coefficient? When we discussing polynomial, these are the terms which we will discuss about. What is constant? A symbol having fixed numerical value. Constant means a symbol having fixed numerical value. Constant means कोई भी ऐसा नंबर जिसकी numerical value क्या हो, फिक्स हो. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, let's take an example 2, 3, 5. These are fixed numerical values. What is variable? A symbol having different numerical values, just like x, y, and z, etc. Because when we solve one question, we get x is equal to 3. Then we solve next question, we get x equal to 5. Then the value of x is changed. So it is called a variables. These are constant. What is coefficient? Let's take an example. 5x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. What is coefficient? So coefficient of x cube is 5. Coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is minus 4, not 4. Coefficient of x is minus 4 and 5 is constant. This is constant. I hope you are getting my point. What I am saying, coefficient. This is 5 is the coefficient of x cube, 3 is the coefficient of x square, minus 4 is the coefficient of x, and 5 is constant term. Okay. Then we are discussing degree. What is degree? Highest power of the variable is called degree. Means highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called degree of this polynomial. First we are discuss about polynomial degree of one variable. One variable means only one variable is used. Variable is x, y, and z. Let's take an example. Means x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 2. What is the degree of this polynomial? This is a polynomial in one variable and the highest power is 3. So the degree is 3. If we take another example, x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 7 power 5. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is 4, not 5. highest power of the variable. This is a constant term, not the variable term. Variable is x and the power is 4. This is the highest power, so it is called a degree of the polynomial. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Some interesting topics are there. Polynomial means many terms. Some terms are discussing about number of terms in polynomial. First we have discussed number of terms. Number of terms. Number of terms in polynomial means first is monomial. What is monomial? Second is binomial. Third is trinomial. Okay, what is monomial? Monomial is only one term is used. Only one term means like that x, yeah, or 3 or 1 upon 2 xy. These are monomial. Only one term is used. Okay, these are monomial. What is binomial? A polynomial containing two terms, two non-zero terms, means like that binomial is x plus y, 5x square plus 3, 1 upon 2x plus y. These are binomials because this is a polynomial having containing two terms. This is a one term, two term, x plus y. These are two terms. And trinomial is containing three terms, means 5x square plus 3x plus 2. This is a trinomial. Okay, or xy plus yz plus zx. These are trinomials because one term, two term and three term. There are three terms. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. You are also studied in class 8 monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, polynomial of various degree. Polynomial of various degree. The next topic is polynomial of various degree. Means linear polynomial. Okay, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. What is this linear, quadratic? Listen carefully. Linear means a polynomial consists of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Example 3x plus 2. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial consists of degree 1. In linear polynomial degree is 1. Example 3x plus 2, degree is 1. Okay. In quadratic polynomial degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial degree is 2, means a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Let's take an example. Degree of 2 means x square plus 5x plus 2. This is a quadratic polynomial of degree 2. Cubic polynomial of a polynomial consists of degree 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. This is a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means a polynomial having degree 4 is called, degree is 4 means 5x or 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. This is a biquadratic polynomial. One more times, what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. This is degree 1. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It is degree 2. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. It is degree 3. And a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay. I think this is the basic of polynomial. What is constant polynomial? One more term is what is constant polynomial? Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial beta means this is a 9. It is a constant polynomial. Degree is 1 because we have to write is 9x power 0. Power is 0 is always 1. So the degree of constant polynomial means 9x power 0. Okay. So the degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. If we write 3, the degree of this term is 0 because we have to write 3x power 0. So the degree is 0. Okay. 0 is only called the 0 polynomial. Okay. If you call it 0 polynomial, 0 is only called the 0 polynomial. And the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Let's proceed to the exercise of class 9 2.1. The first question is, which of the following expression are polynomial? Question says, which of the following expression is polynomial? 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is a polynomial. If we think about what I am saying earlier, any algebraic expression whose exponent power is a whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Algebraic expression, power is a whole number 2, 1, and this is a constant means we have to write 7x power 0. No need to write that, but we consider 7x power 0. What is the degree? Degree is 2. But the question asks to you, which are the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Okay. You have to judge this is a polynomial in one variable or not. State reason for your answer. Okay. Second is y square plus under root 2. Third is 3 under root t plus t under root 2. Fourth is y plus 2 upon y. And the fifth is x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. Okay. This is the first question. First expression. This is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Only one variable is used, x, x, x. Okay. So it is a polynomial because algebraic expression whose exponent power is in whole number. So it is a polynomial. And you have to write because an algebraic expression whose exponent power is in whole number. Okay, this is the answer. No need to very elaborate it. Y square plus under root 2. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial because it is a variable and power is whole number. It is under root 2. Under root 2 is a constant term. Okay, sorry. Under root 2 is a constant term. So it is a polynomial. It is also a polynomial. 3 under root t plus t under root 2. It is a polynomial. T is a variable. Okay. But under root t means 3t power 1 upon 2 plus t under root 2. And power 1 upon 2 is a whole number. Means 1 upon 2 is a whole number. No, it is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Okay. Because power is not in whole number. Y plus 2 upon y. This is a variable, but this is a polynomial. 2 upon y. If we write y plus 2 y to the power minus 1, reciprocal 1 upon y, power upon y, it is minus 1. Means it is a polynomial. No, because It is a negative number, and any algebraic expression whose exponent power is in whole number, -1 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Let's take this example: x to power t, y to power 3, t to power 50. Yes, these three whole power is in whole number. These are whole numbers, okay, but this is a polynomial in two variables. Okay, it is a polynomial. Sorry, two, not two. It is a three, x, y, and t. It is a polynomial, but it is a polynomial of three variables. Okay, but the question says only ask polynomial in one variable. So you have to write it is a polynomial three variables, so it is not a polynomial of one variable. Okay, in your question only asks polynomial of one variable. It is not a polynomial of one variable. It is a polynomial, but there are three variables are used. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. If any problem in my language, so please comment, so I will tell you in Hindi also. Okay, but you are English medium students, I hope you are getting my point. Second question is, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Very easy question. 2 plus x square plus x. Write the coefficient of x square. Only need to coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient? There is nothing, so there is 1. If anything is not written behind it, so there is only 1. Okay, if you multiply by 1, the answer is not changed. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Second is 2 minus x square plus x cube. What is the coefficient of x square? It is -1. What is the coefficient of x square? It is -1. Pi upon 2 plus x square plus pi upon 2x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. Under root 2x minus 1. Under root 2x minus 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient here is x square is x square नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, so we have to write 0 into x square, because 0 into x square is 0. Okay, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 0. Coefficient of x square is 0. I hope you understand it. Give one example. Question number 3rd. Give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. One example of binomial of 35 means binomial of 35 and monomial of degree 100. Only you write anything. Binomial of 35 means x to the power 35 plus 2. You have to write y to the power 35 plus 5. You have to write t to the power 35 plus 10. Anything you have to write, but it is binomial. Only two term is used. Monomial, only one term is used. Means x to the power 100 or y to the power 100 or t to the power 100. You have to write anything with variable power 100. Binomial, you have to use one variable power 35 plus one term. It is x to the power 35 plus x to the power 32. Okay. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. You have to write degree of each of the following polynomials. First is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree of the polynomial means highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is x to the power 3. So the degree is 3. 4 minus y square. Degree of polynomial is 2. 5t minus under root 7. Degree of polynomial is 1. nothing is written there, it is 1. Okay, and 3, it is a constant term. Then degrees, I have to told earlier, it is x power 0, so the degree of the polynomial is 0, not 1. X to the power means if we write x to the power 0, it is 1. The answer is not change, it is 3 also, but the degree is highest power of the variable, not the power of constant. Okay, question number 5, 2.5, last question. I hope this is very easy exercise. 2.12. I hope you are clear, and if you open your book and going to solve, you are solved by yourself. No need to start the answers. Question number 5. Classify the following linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. I have told earlier